the brain subtly influences financial decisions. The nucleus accumbens, a dopamine center, is wired for rewards. Neural pathways significantly influence financial behavior. The habit loop is a core mechanism that drives financial habits. A cue triggers the automated financial behavior. The routine and reward reinforce neural pathways, automating financial behavior. A text alert acts as a cue, initiating a financial habit cycle. The routine involves scrolling through an online store after receiving the cue. The reward is the feeling of satisfaction after making a purchase, reinforcing the habit loop. Completed habit loops strengthen specific neural pathways in the brain. Strengthen neural pathways automate financial behaviors. Automated financial behaviors become difficult to consciously control. Dopamine spikes are visually represented on brain scans. The dopamine system responds to the anticipation of reward, regardless of whether the associated financial habit is beneficial or detrimental. The dopamine system's primary function is to seek reward, not to differentiate between positive and negative outcomes. Reward prediction error occurs when an outcome is better than expected. When the outcome exceeds expectations, the brain releases dopamine. Dopamine release reinforces the behavior associated with the unexpected reward. The brain prioritizes and remembers experiences associated with pleasure. Unpredictable rewards significantly increase the addictive potential of habits. Addictive habits can lead to uncontrolled spending due to the brain's reward system. Reprogramming the brain presents a potential avenue for altering negative financial habits. The possibility of brain reprogramming offers a hopeful perspective on changing established patterns of financial behavior. Brain reprogramming aims to modify neural pathways associated with detrimental financial decision-making. The core strategy involves designing intentional cues to trigger wealth-building habits. Positive feedback loops are created by associating rewards with saving and investing. This system reinforces wealth-building habits through consistent cues and positive reinforcement. Setting automatic reminders serves as a cue to initiate the saving process. Transferring money to a savings account establishes a routine for consistent saving habits. Rewarding oneself with a small treat after saving reinforces positive saving behavior. Brain hacking involves associating saving money with pleasurable rewards to trigger dopamine release. Pairing financial goals with dopamine-inducing rewards can make saving feel good. This approach leverages psychological principles to enhance motivation and adherence to financial plans. Aligning rewards with long-term financial goals is crucial. This alignment ensures the dopamine system supports wealth building. Misalignment can lead to impulsive spending, undermining financial stability. The marshmallow test assesses a child's capacity to delay gratification for a more valuable reward. The test examines the ability to resist immediate temptation in anticipation of a greater future benefit. The marshmallow test provides insights into self-control, willpower, and future success prediction. The marshmallow test assessed delayed gratification in children. Participants who waited longer in the marshmallow test exhibited better life outcomes. Financial success was one of the positive outcomes correlated with delayed gratification. Delaying gratification is not primarily about willpower. It involves training the brain to tolerate a waiting period for more substantial rewards. This training strengthens neural pathways associated with delayed gratification. The prefrontal cortex acts as the brain's decision-making center. The prefrontal cortex can override impulsive urges driven by dopamine. Consistent practice and training are essential for strengthening the prefrontal cortex's control. A brain scan visualizes prefrontal cortex activation during decision-making. The prefrontal cortex plays a crucial role in resisting immediate gratification. Brain scans demonstrate the neural activity associated with resisting impulses. A new habit system involves setting reminders to promote consistent behavior. Saving money is an integral part of the habit system, contributing to financial well-being. Rewarding oneself with experiences reinforces positive habits and enhances motivation. Committing to 30 days of intentional practice can facilitate habit rewiring. Consistent effort over 30 days helps establish new neural pathways in the brain. Intentional habit rewiring requires focused dedication and consistent repetition. Skipping online shopping represents a conscious decision to reduce unnecessary expenses. Redirecting funds into investments fosters long-term financial growth and security. Positive habit changes lead to visible progress and a sense of accomplishment. Aligning brain reward mechanisms with financial goals is essential for improving money management. Financial rewards can be structured to reinforce positive financial behaviors. Overcoming bad money habits involves retraining the brain to associate financial discipline with positive outcomes. The dopamine system, when functioning optimally, enhances decision-making processes. A properly regulated dopamine system promotes sound financial choices. When the dopamine system works for the individual, it no longer hinders financial decisions. Wealth is not solely defined by monetary assets, but also by the cognitive infrastructure within the brain. Understanding the brain's neural pathways is crucial for cultivating wealth-generating mindsets and behaviors. Rewiring neural pathways can lead to improved financial literacy and enhanced wealth accumulation strategies. The ultimate message is to rewire the brain. Rewiring the brain is key to rewiring wealth. Reinforcing this concept is the core message of the video. Subscribe to our channel for more neuroscience-based insights into the world of finance. Stay informed about the latest research on how the brain influences financial decisions and economic behavior. Engage with our content to deepen your understanding of the neural mechanisms driving financial choices.